Welcome to the Innobo Hub tutorial on client sign up. This process involves two steps, registration and activation. Registration means the user is created in the database still with no access, while activation is the process where the user is assigned access to entities and their corresponding operations. Clients can either sign up on their own or through manual addition by you. Once registered, we will guide you through the activation process. Let's get started. So let's start with your registration done by your client from the sign up page. Your client will go to the main login page, click on sign up now. They will fill the form, enter their email address and password, and then click on the register button. We get a confirmation that the user has been registered, and then your customer will receive an email, and so will you. So this is the email that your customer receives. This is what it looks like, confirming the successful account creation and asking to wait until the account is activated, and then you will receive an email confirming that the user has been created and that you need to go and activate a user. Now let's review the activation process. Before proceeding with the activation, make sure that all entities are synced. If an entity is not available, you can edit it in Magaya, and once it's edited, the entity will be available due to the real-time data sync feature. So to check that, go to Administration Entities and make sure that the entities that you want to assign to customers are already here. In this case, you can use Innobo Customer as an example. I will do Shopify Seller, I will do Magento 2 Seller, probably a test client, shipper, and consignee, just to make sure we have enough data. So they're all there. If they are not there, we recommend editing those entities by adding just a simple internal node in Magaya, and then this entity will automatically be transferred to the platform within seconds. So now let's review the activation process itself. So you will come to Administration Inactive Users, where you will see all your inactive users pending to be activated here. So as soon as you click on them, you will be prompted to the Active User and Entity Assignment window. Here you will be able to assign those entities to your customers. You can always do more than one. The first one cannot be deleted, but it can be replaced. So you can do as many as you need. I will do some examples here. Shipper, I will do Shopify Seller, I will do Magento 2 Seller, and you can do as many as you need, because sometimes your customers have involvement with several organizations at the same time. So as soon as you click on the accept button, on the check button, the user will disappear from this list. It will now belong to the active users, and then you will also receive an email, and your customer will receive an email confirming his account or their account has been activated, and that email looks something like this. Of course, with your own branding and logo and everything. Now let's review how you can manually create a user, which can be done from the user list on the administration module. You will see the add button at the top right, and you will do first name, last name, you can do password and email, and then the system will automatically assign your network ID. You can create this user, And then once you have created that second user manually, you will be able to see it in the inactive users list as well. And then you will just repeat the activation process by adding those entities that you want to assign to him. And that's everything about sign up and activation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.